Hey, this is Matthew with Another World Terraria, and right now I'm about to hashtag unbox some hashtag rare plants. Let's do this. This is an imported order from Ecuador, and I've ordered from this source in the past about 2 years ago, and things have been awesome, so I decided to do another order. Let me put this aside. Don't want you to see what's in the box until I pull it out. I would like the suspense to kill you. Not literally, figuratively. Miniature Elaphoglossum species, Fern. It's really nice. One of the cool things about getting these imported plants is that they often come with really cool moss and liverwort and stuff attached to them. Check out this amazing liverwort. Look at that. That's so cool. So that's looks like a Plagiomnium, possibly moss, something like that. That's super nice looking moss right there. Really cool looking. I should note that some of the stuff isn't exactly what I ordered, but that tends to happen when you do these imports. You tend to just get things that are similar but not exactly the same, so keep that in mind if you ever do an import. Oh yes, I've been wanting this moss for a long time. Look at this moss, look how big this is. Hang on, I'm trying to get one single strand of it. Look at that. It's like one moss like strand, one stem, I guess you'd say. It has obviously side stems coming off it, but this is like the primary one. That's huge. That's really cool, and it's just beautiful. I'm not sure how much detail you can see here. Here's some other different types of moss mixed in with it, because they just grab a clump. Oh, look at this, there's a fern. Elaphoglossum species fern right in there. Bonus. That's so cool. Look at this. Wow. Okay, I scored on that. Awesome. Check this puppy out. Look at that fern. So, I don't feel confident on the IDs that they put on these things. They just put whatever. It's not really necessarily always accurate. It says that it's a terpsichore fern genus. I don't know about that, but let's get this thing out of here. Come on. Come on. These things often come in pretty dry and sketchy, and sometimes they're dead, sometimes they're close to dead. This one looks pretty decent. It's super dry though. They don't ship stuff wet, but that's amazing. Look at that. Really nice. Oh man, look at this. This right here is a miniature Peperomia species with coriaceous foliage. Coriaceous means with a leather-like texture. Oop, leaves are falling off, that's okay. Peperomia grow pretty darn easily from leaf cutting, so these leaves that are falling off and the one that's in this cup here, I can just put those on some sphagnum moss and they'll grow into new plants. But this thing is just stunning. Look at that pattern and texture, and it's super cool because it stays really tiny. The leaves probably get this big or a little bigger total, so the plant will be like that. That is amazing, and I'm gonna get that thing propagating big time. Some nice moss that I was looking forward to. Look at that. Look how feathery. It's similar to some of the ones that people often collect locally in the USA. There's the Thuidium. This probably is a Thuidium species or something, but this is a tropical one from Ecuador, so it's a little bit different. It'll grow probably much better than the temperate species will in a terrarium. So, really nice. Looks like there's a little seedling of some plant in there. I'll see if I can rescue it. There's another one right here. Okay, got a couple ferns and one other amazing plant that's going to blow your mind. If you are enjoying this video, please please subscribe to my channel where you're going to get a lot more amazing plants, where you're going to see stuff you've never seen before that's just really exciting and cool. And I'm going to teach you all about plants and terrariums, and I'm going to show you how I make my terrariums and all of that. So please subscribe and let other friends know that you have that would be interested in this as well. Thank you very much. Here we go. Check this fern out. This is mind-blowing. Look at that. That is amazing. That looks really, really nice. Another fern that is very similar to the other one, but it is different. Now, these ferns that I'm showing you are in the group of ferns called gramidids, and that's just a classification. It's a nice clump there. Ooh, lost a frond. Probably lose a few more. These are so thin and long, but these are just beautiful. Again, that hangs down like so from a tree. Okay, I've been waiting for this, and so have you, even though you don't know you have been. Ready? This right here is a dwarf species in the genus Salpinga. It is in the Melastomataceae group of plants, and it is just stunning. Look at the trichomes, which are the little hairs on the surface of the leaf. Look at that foliage, how beautiful it is, and the reddish stem, just the really cool growth habit, nice little clump. And this looks like, to me, a seed pod. So I will check that out and see if potentially this thing can get, that I can propagate it from that. Otherwise, it looks like there's some baby plants around it, possibly. I've got other unboxing videos that you can check out, as well as some popular video series such as my bioactive grow bin tutorials and my how I built the 10-gallon drip wall terrarium.